Hey everybody, John Deere from John Deere's Embroidery Legacy, and I'm going to share with you one of my favorite tips and tricks today. This is one that my family came up with probably 25 years ago. It was a tip that was production based. We used it in our factory every single day, and it had to do with one of the products that we used over and over again, and I'm sure that most of you already do use this. If you don't, you'll want to add it to your stabilizer family, but it is a topping. It's a water-soluble topping, and this topping is something that you'll put on top of anything with a high nap. If you're dealing with terry cloth, or if you're dealing with PK or golf shirts that has all of those little hills and valleys, it actually aids in keeping your density looking nice and full, and it also deals with keeping your lines looking clean within your satin stitches. So it's pretty much a must if you're going to do quality embroidery. Now I also want to let you know this is something that you actually float on top of your item after you've hooped your stabilizer and your material. If you try to hoop this in as 3 pieces, it creates a blurry window and you can't necessarily see through it. So I generally float this on top of the item, and you might have to wet it a little or pin it in place because it is so light and airy that it can get bunched up underneath of your needle as the machine's running. So keep in mind that we've been using this for many years, and when we had a multi-head factory, we did thousands and thousands of golf shirts every single day. And if we did golf shirts on a machine, we didn't do one at a time, we did between 18 and 24 pieces, which means that you had to get them off the machine as quickly as possible, finish them up, clean them up, and get sent out to your customer. And what we found was when you are removing this product, it tears away incredibly easily. It's actually a very sort of soft product, but it tears away, but you have all of the areas that might be, let's say, inside of the O's, the A's, inside of the E's, all those little holes that is in lettering or in objects that you've embroidered. This stabilizer gets trapped inside of there. And what we found is people come up with a lot of really inventive ways to get all of that out of those little areas that it's stuck in. So within the comments, maybe let me know what you guys have done in the past. I've heard all sorts. People have used tweezers, they've used Q-tips, they've sprayed it, they've washed it, they've used sponges, they've done all kinds of things to get rid of that residue that's in there. And I'm going to give you a solution that is probably the easiest one that you'll ever find. And keep in mind, this is what we did many years ago. We are going to use a tennis ball. Okay? And you might say, well, how's a tennis ball going to get rid of that stabilizer? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use our tennis ball, get a brand new tennis ball from the dollar store, and then you're going to take all of your waste, all of that solvy, that water-soluble stabilizer that has been torn off. And keep in mind that there is another name for this. It's called solvy, and that is a trade name. So if you have the solvy, that's made by a certain company. Otherwise, it's water-soluble stabilizer. And as you tear off that waste, you're going to take a bowl of water, you're going to wet your tennis ball so it's damp, and then you're going to start to apply all of your waste to that tennis ball. And eventually what you're going to get is something like this. A solvy ball. It's got a nice hard surface on it. I've been putting all of my waste solvy on there. And if you want to get rid of solvy, all you do is take your solvy ball, put a couple fingers in your water, and rub it so that it becomes a little tacky in a certain area. Once it's tacky, all you're going to do is you're going to take that tennis ball and you're going to tap it onto the areas where the solvy is trapped in between. The absolute best way to get rid of solvy is to use solvy. It's like a magnet, it attracts to itself and it lifts it off instantly. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip. It's been around for a while, but not many people know about it. So please share it with all of your embroidery friends because this one's worthwhile knowing. Take care. Hi everyone, John Deere here, and thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Also, to become part of the legacy, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time we release a new weekly video. So join the legacy now. It's no mystery, award-winning embroidery is our history.